How to use music sticker on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use music sticker on Instagram story. So this is the latest updated feature from Instagram. So first of all, you just need to go to Play Store and then update your Instagram. Okay, after updating your Instagram, let me just get inside Instagram, and here you can see the plus icon. Just go to the story section, click on this, and then now what you need to do is that you can just click a picture. Let me just click a random picture here. Just click a random picture and then click on this music icon on the top, and then you can just search for any kind of song. So let me just take this. Okay, now you have to swipe on the last, click on done option, and you can see the sticker. You can adjust this sticker and then you can just share it. So this is how you can share music sticker on Instagram story. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.